Hey guys, welcome to Bodyworks Plus, 216 West 24th Street. I'm Brian Davies, and we're in the new facility. We're getting really close now. I'm hoping if everything goes well, we'll be in this new location in about 2 weeks. And then later in the year, we're gonna have a grand opening. So as you can see, the floors are painted, paint booster almost finished, air lines are going in, and of course, we still have lots of equipment to put in place. We're gonna have frame machines here, lifts along this way. This is, again, we're in the body side. Hopefully we'll be in, again, in about 2 weeks. Really excited about it. You know, look at social media for our updates and when we're gonna do the grand opening. But again, the main goal with this new facility is to have the latest equipment to keep families safe. And that's our #1 goal at Bodyworks Plus. So look forward to seeing you. If you have any questions, email me at brian@bodyworksplus.com. The new address at the new location is 216 West 24th Street. So we look forward to seeing you. We're planning a grand opening. Keep an eye on social media and our website, bodyworksplus.com, for more information. And again, thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you guys soon. Take care.